Here's my DEWALT XR 20 volt max hand planer. Beautiful tool. You can see here, flat, nice strong bed. Able to put a piece here on an angle. Take a nice bevel off on a nice hand controlled angle, but it gives you a nice little slot to ride on. Chip slide out, shoot out the side. This is the adjustments right here. Higher or lower, depending on how deep you want to go. Press this down. Press the trigger. That's how we turn it on. Otherwise it's locked up. Press that down, lock it up. Works for both lefties and righties. Nice feature. Not all tools have that. Some are set up only for right-handed. Got the lock. On the right hand side of the tool here, lock and unlock. Nice little tool for making adjustments. I'll pop in the battery on the back and show you how it works. 5 amp, gives a little bit more power. You can use 2 amps, but a tool like this, you want to use something a little bit bigger, especially if you're going to be making deep cuts. Start here with a light little plane with the grain. See how it's working? Go a little bit deeper, do one more pass. Nice and clean, you can see the difference there. Even do a cross cut for you. I know sometimes when you're framing, you want to notch in something. Take a couple passes at it. You can only get so deep. But let me show you a cross cut here. Do that a couple more passes. You don't want to go too much at once. It starts shipping out, especially against the grain like that. But as you can imagine, keep doing that. You can put a nice little crotch in something there. Once you start going, this will create its own edge. The deeper you go, the bigger the edge. So the first plane or two can be crucial depending on what you're doing. It comes with a fence. You slide it through here, lock it up. Don't need it for this video right here, but that helps. Still not perfect, but it helps keep a straight line. I already dug out the fence for this little part of the video here. Slides in from this side. Flat on one side, so when it tightens, the screw will hit the flat edge. It's a nice feature, not round. So set it up. Maybe you want to go 1/4 inch all eyeball line today. Tighten that up. There you go. You feel it start grabbing. You know you're gonna be nice and tight. All right. Got a pretty good grip, but I'll twist it nice and tight. All right. Nice clean line all the way through. Do it one more time. Now this is a fence, and this edge is lining up nice and clean. Nice clean line. Following the fence. When I take it out, loosen it up. Back to freehanding it.